Here's how to set typing in Word with format, A4 paper size, Arial font, spacing 1.5, font size 12. The method is very easy, watch this video until the end to get the method. Before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button if this tutorial is useful for you and also click the like button if you like it. Thank you. First, we set the paper size. To set the paper size we go to the page layout menu, then size, and select A4 size. Next, set the shape of the writing. Friends, go to the home menu then look for the Arial font style. As for the spacing, still in the home menu, friends, pay attention to the paragraph section. There is a place to set the spacing size. Change to spacing size 1.5. The letter size can be adjusted directly, because the settings are next to where we changed the shape of the writing earlier. How easy, right? That's all for now and see you in the next video.